day 3 of this now. Shock absorbers have just come, so buzzing, so I can get the back sorted. I message the geezer and he's like, yes, it's definitely them. The part number, 2 of the springs match the part number on the box he sent me, but 2 of them don't, so I don't understand what the crack is there. Apparently I have to lift up the strut to get it actually on or something like that, so I'm going to get the back on just so I can get that all done. And then I'm waiting for new top mount nuts because them ones were absolutely shafted, so I'm just waiting on 2 top mount nuts from Courtney Sport, if any of you need any of those. So do them and then get the back on, so sweet. There we go, lovely new spring. Well, spring, should I say shock. So brand spanking, 2 of them. Easy peasy really, just thread the bolt through there and then do it up. So we'll get to that in a sec. What I've done here is I've just located that one in. Just put these in so it just locates, and then I'll do that side now. And jack it up. I'll jack it up slowly till I can get the bolt through to the shock absorber. So it's not too far off, so a couple of pumps with a jack underneath it, raise it up, put the bolt through, do it up, then make sure it's all tight and then throw the wheel on. It should be all sweet. The springs are in, new shock, freshly new shock, so hopefully that'll do me for the next couple of years. I'm going to try and stick the wheel on and just drop the arse end of the car, and then hopefully the back is done, and then I've got to do the front. But because I'm moving house in a couple of hours, I ain't going to be done till next week or something, so you have to bear with me on that one. Well, whereas it'd be a couple of days for me, it'll be a couple of seconds view, so it'll be like 3, 2, 1. Everyone, I'm back, and this is the 3rd final video of suspension. I'm going to start doing it now. I've got to get it finished. There's not going to be a part 4, part 5 or a sequel. This is going to be it. I'm going to show you the other bits that I've bought to get this done. I spoke to the bloke on eBay and I was like, mate, these don't fit, these are terrible. These springs do seem crap. This is my personal opinion. Hopefully when I get the fronts on, I'll tell you what they really are like, and I'll tell you whether you should get them or whether you shouldn't. So I'll show you the bits that I've got, show you how I'm going to do it, and then obviously I've got no insurance at the minute, so I'm still sorting out insurance and bits and bobs. So when I do get insured, I'll show you how they actually drive and perform. So let's get to it. Here's the bits and bobs that I've got. I've got an advanced Halfords toolkit with half of it missing. I've got a silver line impact gun, which is a godsend, because the spring compressors, they were coming off, so they'd be like half hanging off. I bought these off Amazon, so they've basically got 2 clamps, so they grip both ways. Got them, and because the nut was absolutely in bits, I've ordered some new nuts. I can put a link in description if you want them, so a link in description for them. Courtney Sport, I believe. These Amazon, link in description, and I'll put a link in description for that. So let's get these bad boys on. What someone has told me with the ASTRA H, apparently you pull the strut up and then you lock it in with some mole grips, but you've got to watch obviously the stem, because you don't want to damage that or else it'll be gut apart. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to put the spring on, compress them down with just using these, see how they get on. If I need a bit more, I'll use the other ones and see how close they get to that, and then show you how to do that. So we're going to get it to bite. Oops. Get it to bite. There you go, nice and. There we go. And then we get the other side on. just so it's even. I don't want to go too much so it goes like that and it'll be unsafe then. So make sure they're nice and snug, and then we'll get to it. So is I've had to compress the living daylights out of these. I did want to video it, but I need to seriously focus on this, because if they go bing, I could be dead. Basically what I've done is I've compressed the two new ones so they go down, but then the middle's popping up, so I've had to get the old one like so and put that one up. So I'm hoping now if I slap that in, if I slap that down, I'm hoping the top mount should come nicely over, so fingers crossed. The nut is sitting under, so I might need to give it a bit more juice just to get the top mount on. We'll have a check now. See, I think the word's nowhere near, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to have to go down a lot more still, which isn't going to be fun. Bugger. See, nowhere near. So I'm going to have to nip it up a bit more. Spring compressors are pretty much all the way down. This is not, if you're scared and quite nervous, I would not try this at home, because this could end badly. I'm not the most confident, but because it's took the piss, I'm doing it. Got the nut on. Well, I'm going to loosely put it on now, so hopefully I can loosen these bad boys. So we'll see how we get on. Hopefully all goes sweet. It's coming off, man, and I don't want it to fucking, if that comes off it's going to shoot, so I've got to watch it, man, because that's going to go like you wouldn't believe. I'm crapping myself, so I'm going to try and loosen it off with a spanner, but mate, my heart's going, because if that shoots, oh man, I hope you don't smash the car or hurt me. We're on. It shot off like you wouldn't believe. I don't think these are going to be any good, I really don't. It's like they just seem to be sitting really weird, I don't know. I think they're going to compress really low, but wish me luck on the next one. Absolutely crapping it. See, these bits are going in, then this bit's, as you can see, this bit's coming up, so let's get the compressor on that bad boy. And do that one up. Bloody camera. Tight. Dodgy as you like. Do not like that at all. Like, look at that, how that one's come off. Like, dodgy. This is like DIY stuff. Obviously, if I had the right space, equipment and money, I'd like to get the compressor one that actually sits on a desk and you just, and it completely transforms it. But as I'm probably like the rest of you that hasn't got either A, the money, or B, the skill, we just wing it. That's what I just do, just wing it. Hopefully no one dies, or I don't die, or the car don't fall apart. But I'm just going to make sure it's all tight, as tight as possible. We shall see. It just shot off on me. I don't know how it didn't hit me in the chest. Oh my god, it just come off and just went posh like that. It didn't hurt like, but look at it. This is a joke, this is. Absolute joke. I've no idea what I'm going to do. This is a joke. So after an absolute nightmare, they're both on. That was terrible. I've done a course of VXR before and that wasn't that bad. These were an absolute nightmare. In the end I had to use all 4 of the spring compressors, and even then I couldn't, like, what way do you do it? Do you do it that way or do you do it that way? Because I was finding that when I come to undo the compressor, I couldn't get the hex on that. I couldn't get it on. So what way do you suggest doing it? That way, and then sometimes it pushes against that, so it tries to come off. let me know what you guys think. I'm going to try and stick it on now. Hopefully it goes on. Wish me luck. Put these in. Nice and snug. And obviously I need to jack this all up so I can get my drop link in, so it needs to go obviously into there. I'm just going to nip these up so we can do it spinning. So I'm going to have to push the spring up, throw this in, job done. What I've just done is sat one in place, then knocked it under, got the other one, knocked it under, and you can see there's one little pin that comes out on that side and one that side, so that nice and secure now. So while it's all jacked up, I'm just going to compress it even more, and I'm going to put the drop link in. So just keep compressing it until that will go in there, and then do it all up, and I'll show you how to do that. This gun, because all I've got to do is simply put that in there. Hopefully this picks it up. Boom, job's a good one. 2. So imagine having either a spanner or thing and you're like, which is going to take the mick. Get that bad boy on it. Job done. Now it's time for the wheel on this side. Happy days. Can't do the locking wheel nut up with the gun, so I'm hoping this does lower it. I don't think it will, but let's see. So ready, the tank part 3. Yay, it looks exactly the same. Now I've been told that it could take a couple of days to drop. I don't know how true this is. Plus that side's still in the air, but mate, if the back stays like that, I'll be well happy. I'm just gonna put this together. I know it's been like really unorganised, but this is, when you're doing lowering springs, it's a very complex job, because if one of them shoot off, you're dead. So it's a bit hard to grab the camera and move it and stuff. So next videos will be hopefully a lot easier. So let's get the other side done and we'll see how low it is. Right then, this is the real deal. Now this is hopefully no more blue tank, it's the blue lowrider. So let's see. Let's go. Bit of suspense. Where we going? Not bad, not bad. Still could probably go a tad more on the rears, but the front ain't too bad, to be fair. Just need the backs to go down. Do you reckon? Let me know what you think. That was an absolute nightmare, but if you're brave enough to try it on your own, definitely. One of them bad boys. Link in description if you want it. These were definitely a hand. They were like 12 quid off Amazon. Link in description if you fancy them. All I try and do is do stuff myself, and if I can help you lot, then obviously it's a bonus. So next video will be is what I think of the lowering spring. So I was saying that I've got to insure the car first, so we'll see how much I get the insurance for, and if you want me to do a video on insurance, let me know and I'll tell you who have used the prices. Can I even do that on YouTube? I'm not sure. If I could say so and so said 800, so and so said 900. Let me know if you want to see an insurance video, because I can get one up for you. Thanks for watching.
until next time, peace.